Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. In today's video, I'll be talking about some of my winter skincare and body care essentials. It's starting to get a little colder here in Bombay. I mean, if you can't already tell. So I've found myself reaching out for some specific products that I thought I'll share with you all. If you're new here, hi, I make videos on makeup, skincare and hair care. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And now let's begin with the video. First, let's talk about skincare. For face wash or cleanser, I've been really reaching out for the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleanser. Because it's winter season, your skin is already feeling dry. So you don't want to use a cleanser that's, going to further dry your skin or rip your skin off the moisture. Which is why you want to use very gentle or mild cleansers. What I really like about this face wash is that it deeply cleanses my skin because it's a foaming face wash. Because it deeply cleanses my skin, I feel that my skin looks brighter with every use, and I don't think that it dries my skin. Along with this, I also would like to recommend a face wash by Cetaphil. If you are somebody who has really sensitive skin, or you want to play safe, I really love the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I've been using it for 3 to 4 years and it's been working great. It's never failed me. So yeah, Cetaphil and the face wash Rice Water Bright Cleansers are my go-to cleansers during the winter season. So for moisturizers, I have two options. First is the Clinique Moisture Surge. I swear by this product. It's a gel-based moisturizer. It's very lightweight on your skin. It has a beautiful texture. Absorbs into my skin beautifully, and it gives you all the hydration. I think it's also suitable for all skin types. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but it's a good moisturizer, so I will definitely invest in this product again. Another option is this one by Garnier. It's a cream. If you can see, it has a thicker consistency, and I think this moisturizer would work very beautifully for somebody who has a drier skin type, because it has a heavier and a thicker consistency. I think a product like this will help give you that extra hydration during the winters. Talking about hydration, another product that you can definitely incorporate in your skincare routine, especially during winters, is a facial oil. I have this one by Kiehl's, the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Again on the high end, but it's a beautiful product. I use this as the last step in my skincare routine at night, and I wake up with a really juicy and plump skin. So yeah, try adding a facial oil in your skincare routine, a facial oil that would suit your skin type, and I think that will really help prevent your skin from getting dry. Coming to the next product, which is also the best product of this video, it's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I carry this product in my track pants everywhere I roam in the house. That's how much I love this product. It's everything your lips need during the winter season, and this variant Berry, it smells so good, and this is how it looks. If you haven't tried this product, please do, and trust me, once you start using it, you will not be able to stop using it. Next product is a sunscreen. I have the L'Oreal UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence. This has SPF 50, and it's a product that I'm really enjoying right now. Sunscreen is a product that you should use all throughout the year, and I know that with the pandemic situation, a lot of us are working from home, but I highly recommend using a sunscreen on a daily basis. Coming to body care, I'm indulging really hard using Bath & Body Works. I have In the Stars mini shower gel and the body cream. A friend of mine gifted me on my birthday, and I'm enjoying them right from day one. I love the fragrance of this collection, and yeah, Bath & Body Works is now available on Nykaa. I will leave the link to purchase all of these products in the description box, so you can check that out. Another body care product that I'm really reaching out for these days is this body butter by Dove. It has a thicker consistency than the Bath & Body Works body cream. So on days when my skin is feeling extra dry and dehydrated, I like to go with this body butter. It has a thicker consistency, and it just adds that pack of extra hydration to my skin. The last product is actually a hand cream. Now I know that you don't necessarily need a separate hand cream. You can just use your body butter or a body moisturizer on your hands, or even a face moisturizer for that matter, and your job is done. But this is a product that I'm really enjoying of late. It's the Nykaa coconut and shea butter nail and hand cream, and it smells so good and it hydrates my hands really well. I'm somebody who cannot function if my hands are feeling very dry, so I always keep this in my bag, and I use it on the go. But you don't obviously need it. You can just use your body butter and hydrate your hands. So that was it for my winter essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you have any questions or queries, leave them down in the comment section and I will get back to you. And yeah, if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I come up with such videos every week. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.